That's
Christianity
assumption. No, that's assumption.
Lo muntu mphathi ushunyezwa ama-customs.
Okay.
Ushunyezwa i-civilization.
Eish.
Kune Christianity eyaqanjwa eBerlin Conference eyaqanjwa ngabelungu. Bafihla ama-customs wabo bawa-rebranda as Christianity. So uyabona uma uzothatha leyo Christianity leyo uzobhideka. I-Christianity is a life of God revealed in the conduct of a believer.
Okay.
Because we can even prove it from the scripture. Lithi iBhayibheli ligama lithi Christianity livele kuphi? Livele in the book of Acts. Lithi iBhayibheli lapho khona abapostoli uPaul wayefundisa, solifunda manje lelo verse. Ilapho khona uPaul, ilapho khona uPaul ayefundisa. Lithi mayefundisa uPaul, lithi abantu ababembonile uJesu ephila for gospel. Ngenxa yezifundiso zikaPaul, lithi iBhayibheli izifundiso za shape impilo yabantu. Number one, uJesu wayengabulali. Uthi uMark Magandi, if people in the world they can live like Christ, there will be peace. uKristu wayengabulali, uKristu akakaza raphe umuntu. uJesu wayenenhliziyo. If singaphila njengoJesu, kungaba khona ukuthula ezweni. Lithi iBhayibheli, these people they started to live like Christ. Lithi they were called Christian. Igama lithi Christian lichaza ukuthi Christ like, be acting like Christ, behaving like Christ. It has nothing to do with the religion. In religion, are human effort to please God. In Christianity, we are not trying to please God. In Christianity, we are imitators of God. Ultima Fundu John 3 verse 16. Little Bible, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son as a gift. So in Christianity, we receive the life of God. Then after we have received,
ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadewethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabeze nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni, onusaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni, labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkinga onazo siphunyukile esifubeni, akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngase ematafuleni, ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisho nesenkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile, imicabango yakho iphazamisekile, amaphupho akho adukile, usuphila impilo ongayithandile, imisamo yonke uyivakashelile, imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.
who can the scriptures?
The scriptures.
Yes, where we interpret. And we quote everything in the scriptures.
Okay.
Yonke into engiyikhulumile mina, I quote it on the scriptures.
Okay.
Ayikho into engithe mina ngokuya ngami. Ivesi.
But until right now, lento engikubuze yona, alikho ivesi eli-interpretayo. Wena osebenzisa ama-verse bese uyawachaza ngokwe-interpretation yakho ukuthi asho lento oyifunayo.
Yiphi ke right interpretation?
Ngikubuzile mina ukuthi ngibuze ngalo mbuzo la sikakaphumi kona. And cabanga usasemkhulu lo ithasenkulu lento yakwi-creation. So siphele na isikhathi ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani? Kwenzeke kanjani?
Isikhathi sikhona mfowethu.
Kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi ekuqaleni makudalwa and then already kuthiwe usuku solundlulile kube kungakahlukaniswa ukukhanya nobumnyama. So kuzohlukanisa ukukhanya nobumnyama ukuthi ubumnyama bubizwe ngobusuku, ukukhanya bubizwe ngosuku, kodwa already sokunosuku oludlule ludlule njani lolu suku lolo. Then he didn't answer that. He said akumelanga ngithathe njalo i-creation because bekuvezwa ini i-salvation. Si la ukuthi prove lento oyishoyo ukuthi uyithatha.
Angithi mina ngilethe interpretation. Ake siyichaze nje ingakhona. Funda futhi uGenesis chapter number 1.
Genesis
chapter number 1.
Number 1. Buyela kuyo Genesis.
Comprehension,
yes.
From verse number 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the earth was void and empty.
Yeah.
And the darkness was upon the face of the deep.
Yeah.
And the Spirit of God moved over the waters.
Yeah, uNkulunkulu angithi akaqala ukudala lapha.
Okay.
Njengoba ufunda ngithi. Angithi akaqala ukudala.
Yebo.
Yes, funda.
Number 2. And the earth was number 3. And God said, be light made.
Yes, uNkulunkulu uyaqala uyadala. Into yokuqala uNkulunkulu ayidala uthini?
Be light made.
Right.
And the light was made.
Yeah.
And God saw the light that it was good.
Yeah.
And he divided the light from the darkness. And he called the light day.
Wait. Ngifuna ubona uNkulunkulu udala usuku. Kusho lithi iBhayibheli, God said let there be light.
And the light be made.
And the light was made. And
yes.
What did God did?
And the light called and
he separated.
Okay.
yafunda
And he divided the light from the
he
darkness.
kusho ukuthi manje sekunani sekunokukhanya nani
Nobumnyama.
kuhlukaniswa ubani
uNkulunkulu.
wathi then continue to read
And he called the light day,
and he called the light day
and the darkness night.
ngifuna ubona uNkulunkulu udalile manje uthi uNkulunkulu let there be light and he called the light day the first day was created now kuyavela the first day was created
Okay.
yes
And the darkness night.
and the darkness night
Created.
full day 24 hours
And there was evening and morning
and there
one day.
yes and there was evening and there was evening
Morning,
and
morning, one day.
one day is created
Okay?
ubhuti kakangeni kuphi la
Okay.
nga understand khona
Okay?
Okay. Let's look at the atmosphere.
Yes.
Do we have the light? When we don't
Before
have the
ubhuti
sun.
Okay,
aya lapho,
wait.
no,
Let's give him what he wants
Yes.
to
no
say.
Imam
Yes.
Phat
Yes.
Uzobalekela.
Okay.
Okay. Khuluma.
Do we have a day without the sun?
No.
That's it.
right
When did the sun got
wait
created?
Imam Phat asizukuvumela ubhuti asidrive
Okay.
akafunekanga sinike i-interpretation yakhe
Yes.
That's not an interpretation.
lithi iBhayibheli God created the lights
Yes.
What is that light?
yes akakasitshela uNkulunkulu don't impose
But the
Fanele
sun
siqhubeke
will be
sifunde.
created, right.
Imam Phat
Okay.
lalela mphathi wami angithi ubhuti usasifunda iBhayibheli
Yes.
siyalifunda iBhayibheli
Yes.
uthi ubhuti alisho njalo siyalifunda lithi uNkulunkulu wakhetha usuku lokuqala
Okay.
lwaphelela
Yes.
ubhuti manje useza ne-information ukuthi ulikhona yini usuku
Ulanga, ukhuluma ngelanga, like
ukhuluma
a sun,
ngelanga.
right, yes.
Ilanga is not the light. Sun is the reflection of the light. Qhubeka ufunde my brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Uzwile ke bathi ilanga is not a light.
Who says so?
Ilanga it's a
No,
reflection
who
of
says
the
so?
light.
Where do we get that? Can singabi nalo ilanga and then sibe ne reflection of the
From
light?
the Bible. Funda mphathi. From the angithi ubhuti question iBhayibheli. Simphendula ngeBhayibheli manje ubhuti ufuna ukubaleka. Akafuni ukuvuma ukuthi le
Akukho
misconception.
eBhayibhelini. Akukho lokho kusho akukho eBhayibhelini. Akukho
Umbuzo wokuqala
eBhayibhelini.
kaBhuti.
The sun.
Umbuzo wokuqala uthi ubhuti uNkulunkulu wadala ukukhanya.
Okay.
Usuku lokuqala lwadlula.
Okay?
Lwadlula usuku lokuqala engakadali ini ilanga. Sakuphuva ukuthi
tshele
uNkulunkulu
ngesiphetho.
wadala usuku lokuqala. Kukhona eBhayibhelini.
Okay.
Then manje uthi ubhuti ke manje umbuzo wesibili ukuthi what about the sun?
Okay.
Ingabe angithi uNkulunkulu odalayo. Ake siqhubeke sifunde sibone ukuthi
Because he asked what about the sun.
Yes.
Yes, angifuni si avoid the question.
Yes.
Mr. Nari, you are still asking
about the sun.
About the sun.
Yes.
Where it was created.
Ubhuti unkinga ubhuti uyaconclude.
Okay. So, Mr. Nari, do you get umbuzo wathi where the sun was created, right? That was the question.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. And God saw the light, it was good. Okay, let's see fundile number 5. And he called the light a day, the darkness night, and there was evening and morning one day. Number 6. And God said, let there be a firmament made amidst the waters.
Yeah.
And let it divide the waters from the waters. And God made a firmament.
Yeah.
And he divided the waters they were under the firmament.
Yes.
From those that were above the firmament, it was so. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day.
Yes.
Number 9.
That now there is an evening, there is
Morning.
a morning, the second
Day.
Yes.
Yes. And God also said, let the waters that are under the heaven be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear. And it was so done.
Yeah.
And God called dry land earth, and the gathering together of waters he called seas.
Yeah.
And God saw that it was good. And he said, let the earth bring forth the green herb, and such as may seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after its kind, which has made seed into itself upon the earth.
Yes.
And it was so done. And the earth brought forth the green herb, and such as yield seed according to its kind. And the tree had beard fruit having seed each one according to its kind. And God saw it was good. And the evening and the morning were the third day. And God said, let there be lights be made, and the firmament of heaven to divide the day and the night. And let them be for signs and for signs and for seasons
Ngicela
and for the
uphinde lapho.
days and years.
Ngicela uphinde lapho.
Okay?
Ngicela uphinde
Verse
lapho.
number 12.
Yeah.
And the earth brought forth the green herb.
Yeah.
And such as yield seed according to its kind.
Yeah.
And the tree that bear fruits having seed each one according to its kind.
Yeah.
And God saw it was good.
Yes.
Number 13. And the evening and the morning were the third day.
Yeah.
And God said, let there be lights
Wait,
made.
imamphathi. That is the third day.
Yes.
Ilanga likakadala.
Let there be lights.
Ima kuNkulunkulu uthi let there be
Lights
lights. Ngifuna
made.
ubheka u-S, ngifuna ubheka u-S.
Kuno S, yes.
Let there be lights.
Yes.
Lights.
Yes.
Yeah.
Made
Yeah.
in the firmament of heaven.
Yeah,
To divide day
Wait.
and night.
Ngifuna ubona i-purpose.
Yes.
Ngifuna ubona i-purpose. Let there be lights.
Lights made
They are made where?
in the firmament
Where is the firmament?
of heaven.
The sky.
Yes.
The sky. Meaning these lights that are made are the lights that are going to be in the firmament. What
of
is the
heaven.
purpose of these lights?
To divide day and night.
To divide the day and the night.
And let there be for signs.
Wait, meaning these lights, they didn't come to give the lights.
Okay.
These lights, they came to divide so that there may be a separation between the day and the night.
Okay.
And let me tell you, even a moon doesn't have a light. The moon depends on the sun to receive light. The moon depends on the sun to receive light. That is why sinenta bathi new moon. Please. Sinenta bathi new moon.
Ngathi akasakuzwa umfana sekelahlekile.
No, into yenza ukuthi angangizwa ufuna iBhayibheli seliyaphikisana naye manje ngoba lithi ilanga alidalelwanga ukukhipha ukukhanya. Ilanga lidalelwe to separate the day from the night.
Okay.
To separate seasons so that you can use these things to mark the seasons, to mark the times. Kusho iBhayibheli akusho nje.
Sure.
Okay.
So meaning understanding but it was wrong all along.
Sure.
Okay, I guess if I was unfair, bese ngizobuyela la uthe wena that was proving salvation kaJesu ukuthi manje kuyonke le information uyichaza la uJesu sengenaphi ke but because ngifair I don't want to be unfair to you ngizoxolela
No
la
ungixoleli, musu ungixoleli. No,
uyakuxolela
No,
umfana.
angifuna ngixolela angangenzeli
Vuma
favor.
kuxolela umfana.
Usuzishayile wena, usuzishayile wena.
No, mina ngiphendula imibuzo sisebenzisa iBhayibheli.
Usuzishayile.
Uthe ubhuti ilanga.
Yes.
Uthe ukusho yena wathi ilanga ligavuna emina ngithi.
Yes.
Wathi siyaba nayo imini na. Ilanga lingekho. iBhayibheli yasiphendula ukuthi usuku alukhandwa ilanga.
Okay.
Ilanga is there to divide.
Right.
Not to make the day.
Right.
Sure.
That is why ebusuku siyakwazi ukuba nobusuku ingekho inyanga kukhona new moon.
Right. I do get that. But now I want you to understand this. Ukuthi if you are talking like this lendlela okhuluma ngayo
Yes.
uthi wena ngikubuza ukuthi can we have a day without the sun? And then uthi wena iBhayibheli liyasichazela ukuthi of which this is what we are reading in a book but it cannot be witnessed by the reality.
Okay.
So the book speaks this but reality speaks this. So these are the other reasons that made me realize ukuthi lento inenkinga because
In reality yaphikisana.
yes ireality iyayikhafula lento esitshelwa
Okay.
iBhayibheli.
Buka ke mphatha sisikilekelele my lead. I-reality ineyenza kube ngathi ukuthi kuyaphikiswa. Manje after the sun was created, we can't have a day without the sun. But according to the Bible, we see ukuthi there is a 3 days full without sun. But the sun was there to do what? To divide.
Okay.
So in nature respects the word of God. Ilanga alikwazi ukuthi lingabi bikho ngoba uNkulunkulu walidala. So meaning now according to umbuzo kaBhuti now vele we cannot have a day without the sun. Not that the day is made by the sun. Usuku alenziwa ilanga. Kodwa ilanga yile liba khona osukwini to separate and divide the seasons.
Okay. What evidence do we have of a day before the sun was made?
No, we don't have a refutable evidence.
That's a belief.
Yes, the evidence is the scripture. That is why we believe. Igama elithi believe lichaza ukuthini? accepting something as true without a proof.
Coming to our first conversation where you said you are not religious. This is religion now.
No.
awukhohlwa mfoka
No,
nami usakhuluma
lalela
ngebelief
mfana,
That's a religion.
religion manje
That's a religion.
No, sizobuya.
Bengiyazi wena ukuthi izozimfake la.
Lalela
Eish.
mfana, that is why bengifuna i-development. Can you please go back to the explanation of religion? The word religion. Angithi mina ngikhulume ngobelief, uthi believe religion. Let us see from the explanation. Dictionary.
okay religion meaning
Yeah.
religion is a set of organized beliefs
Yeah, a set of organized
Beliefs.
Yes.
practices
Yeah.
and rituals designed to facilitate a relationship with the scared, divine, or ultimate reality.
Yeah.
Often fostering a community of faith. It provides a framework for understanding human existence,
Yeah.
moral codes, and often center on worship of higher power
Yeah.
or spirituals.
Yeah, ngifuna ubone something la. Funa sentence yokuqala.
Religion is a set of organized beliefs.
Yeah, is the sets
Of
of
organized beliefs.
Ayisho ukuthi religion is to believe. Ayisho njalo.
Okay?
Ithi religion is the set of belief systems. Meaning in South Africa, how many belief systems do we have? We have many belief systems. Those belief systems, when they are put together,
They are
form a
religion.
religion.
Okay?
There is the
Including
set,
Christianity.
not
Including-
Christianity.
My babo.
Not
That's where the
Christianity.
problem starts.
Not Christianity.
Eish.
Not Christianity.
Okay.
Why do we say Christianity is not a religion?
Okay.
In Christianity, we are not believing the set of things. We are believing the person.
Hey, Mr.
Right?
Chen.
We are believing
Mr.
the
Chen, we are
person.
mshini mfoka
Kuziwe
nami.
South Africa.
We are believing
Okay.
the person.
Okay.
And that person, we have a proof that person exists. We
Okay.
are the full proof. I am the full proof. For the fact that I can speak, for the fact that I can move, for the fact that I can see, I am an irrefutable reasoning and a refutable
Molef.
fact that Jesus is alive.
Mulefi don't
Eish.
run, Mulefi don't run. Tshela ungabaleki. Mfowethu. Now
By the way, that is a
Uyala uthi
that
it's
is
a
a
set of beliefs.
lalela it's set of beliefs. Angithi uyayisho eqaleni
Yes.
ukuthi it's a set of beliefs.
Set of beliefs.
Then
Yes.
ekugcineni ithini?
Bese
Ithini ekugcineni?
Okay, let's go. Is a set of organized beliefs,
Yeah.
practices, and ritual designed to facilitate a relationship with a sacred, divine,
Sacred, divine.
and divine or ultimate reality.
Yes.
Yes.
And fostering a community of faith.
Yes.
It provides frameworks for understanding a human existence,
Yes.
moral codes, and often centers on the worship of higher power or
Worship
spiritual.
of higher
Yes.
power or spiritual.
Yes.
So why Christianity is not a religion?
No, my leadership. You see.
Why Christianity is not a
Lalela,
religion?
lalela, baba, lalela. Umuntu akanga-drive i-explanation.
I need life.
Lalela.
Why Christianity is not a religion?
Allow me to explain. Allow me to explain.
Explain
In
it, sir.
Christianity, we don't have rituals.
Okay.
We don't have rituals in Christianity. Akangipointele one ritual Christianity.
No, let's read again. There's a comma there.
Yeah, I come.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not a one statement.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe when I was reading.
It's not a one statement, it's a comma.
A set of organized beliefs,
Yeah.
comma, practices, comma,
Yeah.
and rituals designed to facilitate
Which is the African
a
way,
relationship
Leo. It's
with
religion
the
now.
sacred,
Yes.
comma, divine, comma, or ultimate reality, comma, often fostering a community of faith.
Christianity.
This in my part.
Yes.
This in my part.
Over to you, Mr.
This
Chen.
in my part.
Christianity.
This in my part. This, the name religion, the first of all.
Utshela ufuna uphuma again. Utshela ufuna
Lalela,
uphuma la.
Ah,
okay.
yeah.
Mina
Yeah.
Then ungashifta
Lalela,
amabala,
Chen.
ungashifta amabala.
Mina bengisahlonipha yena.
Yes.
Yeah, mina ngihambi nge-dictionary bengisahlonipha yena.
Okay.
Because ukuthi into ibhalwe ku-dictionary akusho ukuthi it's true.
Maye,
Oh.
washifta ipali.
No,
Washifta
angishifti
ipali.
fani.
Oh.
Washifta ipali.
Ngifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi
Yes.
kufuneka ngivumele ngiphendule. That is the English translation.
So
Okay.
nami sekumele ngize manje ngithi ukuthi into ibhalwe kuBhayibheli I don't believe is true.
It's up to you.
So-
Akekho umuntu okuphikisile.
Yeah, so-
It's up. Listen listen my band. Lana ngizile ukuzokuphoqa.
Yes.
You believe it or not, you take it or leave it. If you believe, you believe. If you don't believe, you don't believe.
But make sense out of
Yes.
it, my
Yeah.
brother.
But it's a lie
Make
what you're
sense
saying.
out of it.
Let me make sense. Angitheni uze nge-English version. Ngicela ungibhekele u-religion ngesigreek nangesebheni.
Asiyeke isiGreek akunamGreek la.
No.
Asiyeke isiGreek akunamGreek. Asiyeke nje isiGreek.
Wena umlungu yini wena?
Anaki Mutswana. Ungayisearcha ngeSitswana.
Umtswana
Naki
yini
Mutswana
wena?
isearcha ngeSitswana. Isearcha kaSitswana.
Manje bowufunela nse ku-English kanti awuyena umlungu.
No, isearcha kaSitswana.
No,
no problem.
why from eqaleni bowuthi asifimele mase ngiya kwisigreek wena usuyajika.
Yeah.
Kodwa wena uqale
Lesizulu
wa-introduce
singayibheka.
no.
But isiGreek asisifundi la, akunamGreek la.
Phela ukwazi ukungitshela ukuthi ngi-engage
Ah,
kanjani.
mina
Wena uletha isingisi.
mina wakhuluma isiGreek angeke ikho into engizoyini.
Okwakho lokho mina vela ngenzeli wena.
But
But
I need to debate
maybe-
nami.
No, lalela mphathi.
Maybe the point of
Lalela
interest.
mphathi, lalela.
Okay.
Mina ngiyamphendula ubhuti. Ukuthi
But
according to English,
unayo uthi usebenzelani
isiGreek
isiGreek.
akunamGreek
Ngoba
la.
we
kunamGreek.
are explaining the Bible.
Even
The
our
Bi-
listeners, do you have Greeks with gifted media?
No, we
don't
I
have
don't know.
Greeks.
I don't know.
Greeks.
Yes,
The
mind
Jews.
you, we have Greeks,
If
but this is
you
international. It's an international show.
Lalela my
I-
part. Lalela my part.
Yes.
Okay, mhlawumbe sisiyeke isiGreek.
Okay.
Akisibuyele kuye le
Yeah.
explanation.
Okay.
On what basis do you say Christianity is a religion?
I say Christianity is a religion because Christianity it depends on believing into something that you do not have a proof of, and you believe it existed and you worship
Iyiphi into
it.
engenaproof?
Jesus.
uJesu is a proof.
Is a proof where?
The scriptures are the proof.
No, the scriptures are not a proof. The scriptures are still religious.
According to you.
What is a proof, my brother?
According
What
to
is
you,
a proof?
Baba.
What is a proof?
Yes.
This is the documented
Hey.
proof.
Oh, corner.
Listen, let me tell you something.
Okay.
Mina, I know ukuthi uShaka existed.
Okay.
But I've never seen uShaka.
Oh.
I've learned and uShaka kubhaliwe ngayo.
Okay.
Ukubhala kaShaka.
Yes.
It was a valid proof yokuthi uShaka uke waphila.
Okay.
Ubhuti lo kunabantu abakubo angakazi ababone. But maqala engagement to say those people they existed.
Because of the DNA.
Because of the DNA kodwa akakazi ababone.
Eish.
Ngenxa yokuthi kunegazi elifana nalabo bantu
DNA
labo.
kaJesu.
That is a full proof.
Eish.
So the scripture is a full proof
Eish.
that Jesus existed.
So, right.
Jesus is the blueprint. The scriptures are the blueprint that Jesus existed.
So-
there is no other proof
Eish.
other than the
So
scriptures.
right, so
Okay.
right. Listen here. You have shot yourself on the toes, Baba.
Yeah.
Uzdubule emazwaneni.
Yeah.
You have quoted Ushaka.
Yeah.
Of which right now we can go kwaDukuza eStenga. Shaka's scroll. There is
Okay.
there is Shaka's grave. We dig eternal Shaka. We'll find the bones Zaka Shaka and be sure ukuthi Shaka existed.
Okay.
We go to kwaNongoma kwaKhangela Mankengane.
Yeah.
We find King Misuzulu. And then we find ukuthi when we check the bloodline, we check obaba omzalayo ubukhosi babo kusase ubukhosi bakaZulu. Even if uShaka mbephe ngasukuthi obazalayo wayingane kaShaka but because bakaZulu proving the existence yakashaka. Can we do that again ngoJesu without reading the scripture? But
Yes.
Where is the family yakaJesu? Where is the family yakaJesu?
Lalela mabhuti.
Where is the family
We
yakaJesu?
cannot prove ngendlela ofuna ngayo. We cannot prove ngendlela ofuna ngayo.
Okay.
You cannot do
Game
that.
over.
We cannot do
Game
that.
over.
It's not game over. You cannot answer me a question.
Yes.
Then you expect me to answer according to you. No.
Sure.
Angithi umbuzo ukuthi how can we do that?
Yes.
Kunalento abathi the Bible has more than 2,500 archaeological deeds.
Mama, yeah.
Mawubheka i-archaeological deeds ngicela angazi ukuthi uzosibamba spelling.
Okay.
I-archaeological deeds lithi mawubheka historically kwaphuma these people esibabiza ngama-scholars, the researchers. They find refute izinto ezibhalwe eBhayibheli bathola physical evidence, things that they were pointing that Jesus existed. Ngizokuvezela abantu who were living in the times of Jesus abakhona to historical books. First of all is Joseph of Arimathea, olowala Ethiopia.
Okay.
That person ukhona kuma historical books engeke eBhayibhelini.
Yiphi ngicela uyilethe historical book because ngiyawafunda mina ama historical books ase Ethiopia.
Ima kancane baba.
No, ilethe ngiyawafunda.
Igazi
We can
kaJesu.
Ngiyawafunda
research ikhona kwi-public
Basalethela
domain.
igazi likaJesu, nayi igazi likaJesu.
Lalela my man, ikhona kwi-public domain.
Okay.
We can research it now. Joseph of Arimathea is a public figure, a rich person that existed in the time. We can search it now.
Sure.
Yes. Joseph of Arimathea. There are irrefutable evidences. Izinto ama-scholars ayithola that are in the Bible manuscripts, let me tell you, manuscripts that they were discovered.
1947 amaPedro and Shepherds.
1947
amaPedro and Shepherds la.
Let me show you the evidence.
Okay.
This is the evidence that we can trust
Joseph
the
Arimathea.
Yes, Joseph of Arimathea.
Joseph Arimathea is a biblical figure who assumed responsibility for the burial of Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
his crucifixion, his crucifixion. 3 of the favor colonial gospel identify him as a member of ifuna manje ngivule iGoogle bekuyisamari leya.
Okay, asingifundela kimi.
Okay.
Ithi ngifundela. Ngizobonisa ama evidence ezinto ezathola.
Okay.
Number 1, Dead Sea Scrolls.
1947 Pedro and Shepherds. I know that ungasayina lapho ngiyazi. And I will tell you ukuthi it's even debated ukuthi ngamanga leyo nto leyo. Ungasayi kuyo ngamanga.
Lalela baba.
Ngamanga ungasayi kuyo.
Lalela bhuti.
Yes.
It is lies to you.
The scholars have debated it, Baba. And the Pedro and Shepherds failed to prove that it's true.
Lalela baba.
They had debate over 1947, they failed to prove it is true. Iwo lawo, the Dead Sea Scrolls were founded by the Pedro and Shepherds in 1947, Baba. I know that.
Okay, asizwe lawa ke Mr.
Kuthiwa these Dead Scrolls, they were found in the 1st century. Yabona. 100 of manuscript fragments found in caves near Kurman, near Kurman, including copies of almost every Old Testament books. They show how accurately the biblical text was preserved over 1,000 years. So these people, they discovered the scrolls that they accurately match the Old Testament.
Okay.
They discovered them in the 1st century. They found them in the caves near Kurman. This is in the public domain. Fully the evidence. That the evidence.
Yes.
So akakwazi ukuphikisa evidence. Nami mangithanda ngingayiphikisa evidence ngoba ayikho iproof yakho. Noma ungeza ngeDNA mangithi mina ngiyayiphika lento ngiyayiphika. So if umphathe decide ukuphika okwakhe lo, but the evidence is there. Second evidence, the Hezekiah tunnel. It was found in 701 BC. An underground water channel in Jerusalem, caved through solid rock. An inscription inside described how 2 teams dug from opposite ends and met in the middle. Exactly the project in 2 Kings chapter number 20. Credit to King Hezekiah during the Assyrian siege. So these people, they are founding an evidence that accurately connects to what happened in the Bible. Not only that, the Syria cylinder, it was discovered in 539 BCE. A clay cylinder from Babylon, recording King Cyrus' policy of letting conquered people return to their homeland and rebuilding their temple, matching the decree described in Ezra chapter number 1. So these things are written in the historical archives, written in the public domain. They connect their accurately
what is the public
scripture.
domain, Baba? What is the public domain?
Okay.
Public domain is internet, most. Public domain is something that you can access. Like an internet, like a
So lento mayivela ku public domain ivela under history, ivela under religion.
kuye ngokuthi wena uresearcha kanjani. Le mina engivezayo la research that points the reliability of the scriptures and the Bible, that the Bible is valid. There are more than 2,500 things,
my brother,
that are being proven that the Bible is accurate.
My brother, those researches, you're still researching the things that are assumptions of people who are religious again. Right, mina ngifuna siphume kule nto yokufunda ne. Singene ku reality.
No, lalela.
Asiphume kule nto yokufunda. No, lalela my brother.
No, akuna ufundile wakhetha ukukhola.
Inkinga asoze ulalela.
Ungathi angilalela because uthi mina ngiyafunda.
Angithi nginikezela lalela, nginikezela i-reality. Shele, nginikezela i-reality. Nginikezela umisuzulu ngithi.
Lalela mabunda.
Nginikezela umisuzulu ngithi.
Lalela mabunda.
Yiba baba, yiba. Nginikezela umisuzulu ngithi. Ngakunikeza ithuna liyashaka likwaDukuza ngithi. So i-reality leyo ngithi. So ngicela i-reality hayi not into ebhalwe phansi.
Hayibo, nangu umuntu ukuthi athi reality lalela mphathi
Yes.
I-reality njengamanje listen my brother I-reality what is happening in Middle East we have a nation called Israel there was a ngiyazi ukuthi lo Israel lapha eMiddle East is a political what into
Wazi kanjani ukuthatha lokho
baba I've written I've
Uyafunda
read ufuna ubani obhale lapha
baba
I-evidence yalokho uyithatha
I-evidence ikhona kwi-public domain
baba i-public domain into ebhalwe ukuthi nami ngingabhala kwi-public domain manje
baba
ngingabhala lento engiyifunayo manje
ayikho accurate
lalela my leadership
Okay.
ukuthi kukhona ithuna likaShaka namanje masingayi eJerusalem likhona ithuna likaJesu
likuphi
eJerusalem likhona ithuna likaJesu
lela abahlali
Okay.
bakhona abapastor
saze laphi ke kusinalele likaShaka likhandiwe saze lapha amathambo bawathathephi
Eish.
amathambo bawathathephi amathambo ngoba lo muntu wafa kudala lo muntu
amathambo umuntu ayaphela kahle
can uprove ukuthi akhona amathambo kulela
oh baba amathambo umuntu ayaphela
can uprove
amathambo umuntu ayaphela
malithi can uprove ukuthi kulela thuna khona amathambo
sinaba phela siyogubha
oh yabona lalela my leadership uKing Shaka is someone that was there kodwa leliya thuna yithuna elikhandiwe to preserve
how do you know that
to preserve the culture but
Okay.
if singathiwa siyagubha lapha ngeke siwathola amathambo
amathambo kaShaka khona baba
ngeke siwathola amathambo
Sure.
ngeke siwathola amathambo yabona so meaning nalezi zinto ayishoyo ukuthi ukhomba uMisuzulu ukhomba uMisuzulu yes ikhona i-evidence nakhona i-evidence exoxwayo
so you are
Sure.
trying to
You
tell me
have-
ukuthi
meaning you have
uMisuzulu
to
akusiyena
believe it.
wakwaShaka
hey baba you have to believe it as long as uShaka ngabonwanga sonke siyakholwa naye ubhutilo njengoba athi khona uMisuzulu uyakholwa into atshelwe yona kana proof egcwele ukuthi uShaka wayekhona so meaning this is a matter of believing ukuthi what do you believe so akakwazi ubhuti ukuzo refute evidence eBhayibheli ngimlethele evidence still we dispute mina ngidispute ngekashaka yinto ayikholwayo
okay ake sidlule senze ngakhohlwa nalapha
usethi manje seku-reality ngoba nayifundile
bengifuna ukuya khona ngoba hey cha lokho ngilishingisho lento ngithi la ekhaya ipali liyashisa
ayikho evidence ukuthi azoyenza
Usho ukuthi ipali uyalikhipha.
baba lalela bhuti ubhuti uqale waphika ukuthi lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wadala izulu nomhlaba
angiphikanga
no akukho izulu nomhlaba
Angizange
okay
ngiphike
asifundele
mina.
angithi uthi iBhayibheli amanga
ngithe mina yilento ofuna ukuyikholwa
lalela
wena.
mphathi angithi iBhayibheli uthi amanga izulu nomhlaba kukhona ilanga likho kukhona umuntu uNkulunkulu wadala abantu abekho bakhona konke lokho sikuthola kuphi in the Bible there is evidence izinto ezikhona lezo
so right mina mangingadecide ukuthi ngithole izinto ezikhona bese ngibhala into ngithi lezi zinto zivele ngendlela eso ekubeni singavela ngaleyo ndlela le kumele abantu bakhole leyo ndlela le
right uma ngabe uthi lezi zinto kunendlela umhlawumbe njengoba ukuchaza so ukuthi ubhala into ukuthi ivele ngendlela so if wena uyiphikisa leyo nto leyo kufanele uveze indlela eyavela ngayo awukwazi ukuthi into lento wrong
uma ngizoveza lalela uma ngizothi kumele ngiveze indlela eyavela ngayo ngubani kahle kahle ongenze ngathi ivelile wathi ivele bekade ikhona
what if
uma izovela bekunani la ikhona yona ivela beyibuya bekunani la ikhona njengomhlaba bekunani la bekunembobo
baba angithi iBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu he created heavens and earth
lalela
we are loud where the Bible is light we are silent where the Bible is silent
Eish.
we are loud where the Bible is loud
so now so when you are allowed where the Bible is live
I'm silent where the Bible
you are
is
silent where
silent
the Bible is silent
yes.
so that means you have taken your brains wayivalele eBhayibhelini so why would you argue me
lalela baba I didn't take my brains
you looked your brains in the Bible
mawuthi wena I'm taking my brains then you are not hearing yourself because
I'm hearing myself.
I use my brains.
You don't use
First
the,
of
you
all,
use
when
the
I
Bible.
would discard masqali conversation,
You use the
when
Bible.
you don't believe into engabona.
Yes.
I said mina oxygen, you don't see.
Ngakutshela ngathi
When I
lalela-
washintsha context wathi ukhuluma
Hayi,
ku-religion.
no,
Washintsha
no,
context
no,
wathi
no.
ukhuluma
Leyo
ku-religion.
leyo sekuyinduku yakho ofuna ukuqasha ngayo.
Angiqashi
Hayi
ngayo.
bo.
Lalela baba.
Hayi bo.
Lalela-
Sekuyinduku ofuna ukuqasha
No,
ngayo
angiqashi ngayo.
besingakhulumi lalela
Yeah.
yimi ahlahle masingaqhubeka mhlambe ngalento ebengiqale ngayo ku creation I think maybe it will make sense because right now
ziningi izinto ubhuti engimprove
so akaprove next
uprove kuGenesis chapter number
Awupruvanga
1
next.
wakhuluma ngelanga
Awupruvanga
waze
next.
wavuma wathi useyezwa manje ngathi umzwile
no
kakhulu.
ngisangithi sengiyezwa
Hawu.
ngithe ngiyayazi leyo nto but la ngifike ngabuza khona la ngifike ngabuza baba
Lalela
Bafowethu asinike nababukeli i-direction so
ungangenzi
that
kanje
you guys
Yes.
abantu sigcine sibe ne-conclusion
Yes, uyabona,
ezwakalayo
ekugcineni-
ebantwini.
iproblem ikuphi
Yes.
mabonda iproblem ikuphi ubhuti ubuza umbuzo
What's the problem?
ubuze umbuzo ngoGenesis chapter number 1 wathi mina ngilethe iinterpretation angithi
Okay.
ngathi mina siyeke iinterpretation kaJohn chapter number 1 verse 1 asifundi iverse direct la ikhulumela iverse
right lalela angithi ngibuzile gift angithi ngibuzile mina right because what you have to understand about me, I'm controversial. I don't believe in what is written, but I mix what is written with the logic and reality. Does it respond to reality? So even if you prove that it is written, I have to add the logic and add reality. Does it mix?
What is the meaning of the word reality?
So now in reality, ubunjalo.
That is a false. You are translating.
Existing.
That is a lie.
Okay,
what
Mr.
is the meaning of the word reality?
Because of time.
That is translation. The word reality does not mean
okay, Mr. Chel, as he concluded because of time. I wanna give you iskati to say ukuthi
gift befuna ukuqeda.
No, akaqede bese uyangena.
Befuna ukuqeda ukuthi right. Me talking about the light, the day lindlula before the sun. I was trying to show you ukuthi in reality today we don't have any evidence yokuthi kuyaba khona ukukhanya ilanga lingekho. So now it is a matter of when you now want to force a belief yokuthi because already ilanga that was basically creatiwe labeka ukuthi kube lona elizo govern the day, but before ilanga liba khona the Bible tells us ukuthi lenti kuyaba khona, of which now it's your belief ukuthi the Bible is true, but mina I don't believe that the Bible is true about that. I don't believe that.
How do you conclude this episode, sir?
So now I wanted us also to check in Genesis chapter 2. Unfortunately, sesihlala isikhathi eside kakhulu la. Alo singasayifundi. Alo sisho kuGenesis chapter 2. According to Genesis chapter 1 ngendlela uyifunde ngakhona. Uyifundile kwaze wafika la ku createwa khona inyamazane zasendle nezasemanzini.
Ku 25.
Yes. Washo ukuthi kwathiwa let the sea produce all the fishes and whatsoever and the reptiles in whatever, and then wafika la let the ground produce inyamazane zonke zasemhlabeni. I know it's Genesis chapter 1, but if you go now to Genesis chapter 2 ngeke ngisathi lifunde iverse ngoba maybe isikhathi sisishayile because I know it, I'm going to just say it. Now when you go to Genesis chapter 2, now there is a garden in the east of Eden. God is planting a garden. Afake imifula design yonke into. Then now there is a confirmation yokuthi ingadi ayikaka cultivatewa and also ayikaka mililutho because uNkulunkulu akayiniseli izulu and akakabi nomuntu ozoyicultivate. Then God formed a man out of ground, which is Adam.
Okay.
Wamforma out of ground is Adam, wamphefumulela umoya wakhe in nostrils, waqala waphila. Right. And then after God has formed Adam, wabuya kuNkulunkulu. That chapter says God sat down again. He formed all the animals, those that are living in water and those that in the birds that are flying in the atmosphere from the ground. So now this is now a contradiction, because in Genesis chapter 1, God started by creating animals and he created them through the mouth, saying, let the sea produce these kinds of animals. Let the earth produce these kinds of animals. And then after that, let us make men out of our own image. Then he created them male and female. In chapter 2 now, God starts by forming a man from the ground, creating a man from the ground. After that, then he creates the animals also from the ground. Even those ones, as the semanzin, now they are all created from the ground. Creation
Sure. Mr. Chel, what are you concluding this? Because I believe this is a broad question that he's asking. I don't want you to say another hour again. Ngale question ayibuzile, but I want you to be free.
Into yokuqala ubhuti ufuneka decide.
Okay?
Yeah, ideology kaBhuti inceke ecriticizing iBhayibheli.
Okay.
Masingathiwa sibeka iBhayibheli eceleni sithi akakhuluma, ayikho into angakhuluma ngayo.
Aziningi ba. No, siningi. No, ungathi ideology uyangithuka inhlamba le ungasaqhubeka ngayo. La ungasaqhubeka inhlamba. Inhlamba le. No, but inhlamba awukwazi ukungithuka. Uthi masingabeka iBhayibheli asekho into engakhuluma ngayo. Inhlamba le.
Ukhuluma ngamaphendo I don't have a brain umzwili.
Hayi inhlamba le.
Umzwili uthi I don't have a brain.
Oh, which is the same thing.
Angazi ngithi uyang-insult.
Okay. Okay, ngicela uqhubeke.
Angisangithi don't have a brain. say you have fitted your brain into the
Insult,
book.
according
No,
to
it's,
me,
no, it's not an insult.
that is an insult.
Fitting,
No.
I can fit. Now I've fitted my brain in my phone.
Phela
It's not an insult. But ukuthi apart from the Bible, anginento engayikhuluma ngayo inhlamba leyo.
Uma ethi
Futhi mina ngikhuluma ngeBhayibheli. Anginamndeni. Anginamndeni.
Mr. Nal,
Phendula
Mr.
iquestion
Nal,
engiyibuzile.
Mr.
I-creation yenzeka kangaka ungagibeli phezulu kwami.
Mr. Nal, angicela siyikhonhlodeni. Okay, Mr. Nal, ngicela umnike ithuba akhulume.
Yeah, but not ukugibela phezulu kwami.
Wait, Mr. Nal, ngiyaka understand. Wena Mr. Nal, umeke qeda ukukhuluma.
Uyangidelela, that's the problem.
Asibiyeke
No,
isikhathi.
lalela. Angithi now, angithi the debate is about the Bible.
Yes.
So ungathi ngaphandle kweBhayibheli ayikho into engayikhuluma because right now we can bring the debate about politics again.
Yes.
I can speak.
You
we
can
can
speak.
we can bring the debate about life in general.
Yes.
I can speak. So don't say about the Bible I can't speak anything.
Okay, Mr. Nal,
So answer the question engiyibuzile
No,
ngithe mina
lalela.
i-creation yenzeka kuGenesis chapter 1 naku chapter 2 sengathi kuyaphikiswana. Asichaze
Angithi
lokho
bengiseza,
singagibeli phezulu
angithi
komuntu.
Okay.
bengiseza.
Yes.
Wait.
Uyabuseza but vele waqala ngento e-wrong.
No,
I-wrong
ngicala
le.
ngento according to you. Now angithi uthe mina ingqondo yami ngifaka eBhayibhelini.
Angithi wena kusho kanjalo. Wena uthi when the Bible is silent. I'll show you when the Bible is silent, I'm silent.
Mr. Nal.
No, I'll show you when the Bible is silent, you are silent.
Kuze after lokho.
Ngisho lokho ngaleso
No,
sikhathi.
you did not.
No, baba. Uthe wena when the
No,
Bible
you
is
did
silent,
not,
I am
my
silent. Ngase
brother.
nginosho ukuthi your brain iphelele eBhayibhelini
Lalela,
because if it's silent, you are silent.
Lalela my
So,
Oh,
Mr. Nal, you
lalela,
don't want to
my
accept this, which at least
La-
let him
Yes.
finish. Then you will
Angithi
conclude
lana
of what he's
yes.
saying.
Angithi lana
Asimiyeke manje khulume.
Yes.
Freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Let
No,
you
I don't
talk.
accept. I don't accept you are disrespected in a way of freedom of
This is not
speech.
disrespect. Listen. Angithi lana sikhuluma kwi-context of religion.
Yes.
Ukuthi i-ideology kaBhudi
Yes.
kwi-context of religion masingathi akayeke iBhayibheli eceleni akhulume nje ayikho into angayikhuluma
No,
kufuneka
ikhona.
aqale iyiphi
Ikhona.
Politics.
Singaqala phansi enye lento ozani sikhulume siyeke leBhayibheli sikhulume kuyo.
kunganje ngani
Ungaphela ungambuza ukuthi njengathi because uyangambusha manje
No,
singaqala phansi
angiku-ambushi.
ugift angaqala itopic kade asikhipheni iBhayibheli sizokhuluma khululeka wena phendula umbuzo obuziwe ungangambusha phendula umbuzo uyangambusha phendula umbuzo obuziwe
let us not play a person.
Yes.
No, we are playing a person vele
yabona ukuthi kule conversation kungaki kukaningi criticize ingqondo ethini angazi ngiphakamela
angicriticize
Let us answer the question.
Why singamiyeka aqede
Let
la?
us
No,
answer the
blame me.
question.
Blame me. Angekaqede.
Bengiseza ku-question.
Blame mina
Okay.
angaqeda mayikhuluma
Okay,
nge-question
right.
but
Siyaxolisana.
criticizing me
Okay.
Okay. Asingamcriticize uBhudi.
Ungamcriticize
Yeah,
Jen.
asingamcriticize.
Jen
Okay.
uyakhala unare ngawe manje.
Asingamcriticize uBhudi usha powerful.
But
Anko powerful anko
Ah,
powerful
madoda.
anko powerful ngumuntu
Funda
Okay.
uGenesis 2 verse 1 siphendula umbuzo.
But Jen, what you were
Funda
saying.
uGenesis
no
2
futhi Genesis
Ngoba
leyo
manje uzothi
eyakima
siyambusha.
angifuni
No,
uNkulunkulu uyamthanda lo mfana.
azange uGenesis 2. Ukhona into ekufanele siyikhulume la. Both Genesis chapter 2 verse number 1.
right lalela
Angithi uBhudi ubuza umbuzo
Yes.
ukuthi na creation kuGenesis
Chapter 1.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu udala zonke izinto uyaqeda. Angithi nangu manje futhi kuGenesis chapter number 2 kubuke ngathi uyadala futhi. Siphendula lo mbuzo bese sihlala phansi.
Okay. So ngicela ubofuna ngicela ufunde lapha efonini yakho. Ayani. Ngicela uthathe uthenge lunch lapho.
Hey, yazi abantu laba engibalayishayo.
Ngeke iproduction ilambe nje. Lokwayizona.
Genesis
Okay.
chapter ngoba manje futhi ubone ngathi uyanqanda manje kanti ngisakhuluma bengiseza ku-question. Ngibalekele ama-question.
Yes.
But
hlala
angithi
hlala
kuthiwa
question
angicontribute.
ungahlali kimi
No, angihlali kuwe.
akingano
Yabona angihlali kuwe angithi kuthiwa ngiconclude mina manje
Okay.
uncinzwa yini ngoba phela imini engiconclude.
ungaconclude ngami conclude ngento esikhuluma ngayo hayi ngami
Izwa. Verse number 1. Thus the heavens and the earth were finished. Thus the heavens and the earth were finished and all the host of them. And on the seventh day God ended his work which he has made. And he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had made.
Okay.
And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it because that in it he had rested from all his work which God created and made. These are the generations. These number 4. These are the generations of the heavens and of the earth when they were created. Meaning this it points back. Ngale kuGenesis chapter number 1 ayisivezele ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayicreate kanjani ezinye izinto. Manje is going back to give us more details ukuthi when God created in Genesis number 1, how did he did it? Iyasho verse number 4. These are the generations of the heavens and of the earth when they were created.
Okay.
Meaning these things, they are already created. But now in Genesis chapter number 2 is going to outline more details. How did God did it? And this is again, and it's in the day that the Lord made the earth and heavens.
Okay.
You see, and this is again, and every see out of verse number 5, and every plant of the field before it was in the earth, and every herb of the field before it grew, for Lord had not caused it to rain upon the earth. Are you saying, man? So uNkulunkulu meaning he waqala wa create ezinye izinto, but zangavela in the physical realm. Ngoba kukhona izinto uNkulunkulu engakaqedi, njenge practical example imvula yengakani. Izinto zasezikhona zidaliwe. But ngenxa ukuthi uNkulunkulu engakanisi izulu ezinye izinto zangavela. So uGenesis chapter number 2 is a commentary of Genesis chapter number 1. Remember ukuthi ama chapters are introduced ngabantu. The scrolls, the original manuscript, they didn't have chapters.
Okay.
Meaning with Genesis chapter number 1 or Genesis chapter number 2 is just the same discourse. So Genesis chapter number 2 is just the account of Genesis chapter number 1. It's not the recreation of the earth.
Mr. Jelle, what I was asking you is to conclude this episode, because end of the day, unless we get the topic today, we still need to have part 3. We still need to have part 3. Yes. Oh yes. Yes. Ngicela Mr. Nari, ngicela kuwe mfowethu ukuthi ngicela siconclude le topic. Ngicela ukumnika abe free. Then I will give you to be free. The way uyibona ngakhona. No, ngicela ukumnika abe free nayo, yabo, because what you will say when you conclude, angazi ukuthi uzomfaka yini, maybe uzodinga ukuthi ucomment. Uyabona Mr. Nari?
Ngoba umbuzo senguphendulile.
No, ngifuna uyiconclude Mr. Jelle. Yes.
It's mina ngiconclude. Umbuzo still awuphendulwanga futhi still
yonke imibuzo yakhe ayiphendulekanga.
Still uyadribula umfundisi, udribula ukundlula urile Mfukeng. Because if azoletha leli verse leli athi ama plans bawangakaveli because uNkulunkulu bengakwenzi, that verse it's specifically directed to the plants, not to the humans and the animals. And now if you are going to take that verse usufaka ama animals, then kusho kona ukuthi izobe seyaziphikisa le nto, because la after sekufonywe uAdam, mase kufonywa lezi inyamazane lezi nezasemanzini nazo, they were created out of the ground ngaphansi komhlaba. So now in Genesis chapter 1, let the sea produce. So did the sea use the umhlaba to build inhlanzi nani? You see. So now you are dodging anyway. But I don't know. I conclude by saying I'm not convinced. Everyone knows I'm skeptical. I'm not convinced to believe, because each and every question that I have asked, it was not answered correctly, but it was answered in a way to balega and also trying to use the doctrine to channel me into that, but I am not impressed.
So Uma, like, what can you advise him? Like, what you can advise him as well?
No, well, what I can advise him, it's one. I've before I started being who I am, I've been in the ministry and I've been in this industry. You must be careful of using assumptions. Don't assume ukuthi umuntu maybe la abuya khona unjani noma uphila kanjani. Don't assume that, but always debate nomuntu based on what maybe you are talking about. Don't assume the things. And also number 1. Number 2, be careful in this kingdom, Christianity, to claim that you know better than others. You have got the right gospel, others have got the wrong gospel. Because last figure corner, we have 97 million denominations. If I can tell you today, even the born again salvation that you have today, it is something that came that came from Rome, that came through Charles Spurgeon. Before we even debate the Bible, the first church to be implemented, not according to the Bible, but according to reality that we can check. La emhlabeni. It was the Roman Catholic, and then all these churches, they started separating bephuma Roman Catholic, of which the salvation figile le esinayo sibiza ukuthi abo born again, esidlala ama keyboard esithi we are charismatic, isuke ku Charles Perham Ministries, and then bazohlangana nobani no William J. Seymour, and then kwabuildeka i-Apostolic Faith Mission Azusa Street eAmerica ngaleyo minyaka leyo. After that they had to separate, baxabana ngendaba yokunga understandani ngama tongues. Omunye athi ama tongues kumele kube ama languages, omunye athi ama tongues, then kwaba nento eziningi ezibaxabanisayo, they separated, and then kwase kwenzeka ke ukuthi I forgot this name, this man ngomkhumbula asuke nayo le America ayilethela eSouth Africa, and then it started to spread. So I'm trying to show the man ukuthi at the end this Christianity, this religion leyana, no matter angachaza kanjani ama scriptures, is standing amikuso always lento, it has been passed from man to man. So ihamba ngani ngama interpretations nama doctrines wabantu. So you cannot say your standing is correct and then you dispute other people's standing in Christianity.
Over to you, sir.
Ngicela ukuconclude kubabukeli emakhaya ukuthi first of all the Bible is reliable.
Okay.
Yeah, iBible, it was written by 40 authors, 40 Jews. It's khona kwi historical books. 40 authors, 40 Jews within the period of 1,500 years in 3 continents. 3 continents. Number one, the Bible was written centuries way before even among Europeans they believed the Bible. First of all, the Bible was here in Ethiopia before the white men believed the Bible. So the Bible is a valid book. People, they must believe in the Bible because there's an irrefutable evidence that the Bible is valid. Number one, the Bible has survived more than 2 centuries. For 2,500 years, the Bible has survived. The Bible is the most selling book. They've tried akusebantu criticize iBible akuphuta kusumuntu oqala baningi bafikile they failed,
and ayikho into angayicriticize ngaphandle kweBible.
Ayikho enye into angayicriticize where religion is concerned ngaphandle kweBible. Funeka aqala funda iBible bese criticize. Akana original thoughts, you see. So the Bible is a valid book. It has survived. They've speak against the Bible, but the Bible is continuing to sell. There are many transmissions of the Bible. I agree with his to put I point out it because I've listened to his as he debate namhlanje it was a collective debate as izinto ayikhulumile yena kwamanye ama videos. That is why as izibuzizwa ngimention athothi yena akazimentionanga kule podcast. So meaning into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi people they must believe the Bible. To say God does not exist, it can only be a fool who can say God does not exist.
So which means he's a fool.
Kulisho njalo iBible. Lithi iBible uProverbs uthi Proverbs. No, ngithi ngiyaconclude. Uthi Proverbs, a fool says there's no God in his heart.
In his heart. Yeah. I'm saying it loudly, not in my heart.
Yes, why? In his into ikhulumayo is a reflection of your mind. A heart is represented as a mind. Ikamelithi height and in the Bible
sengiqale enye topic
mina ngiyaconclude mina ngiphaza ikamelithi heart in the Bible nekamelithi mind igama elicishe lifana lisetshenziswa interchangeable is a synonym akhuluma pumping heart ukhulunya about the mind and the thoughts. So meaning in other words, a person that says there's no God in his mind or in his heart is a fool. Ikamelithi fool is not an insult. Yes, but ikamelithi fool wena mntaka mabunda lichaza ukuthi you reject the truth. Njoba athi ubhuti nje uNkulunkulu akekho. Unfortunately uNkulunkulu uyamthanda. If God was a killer ngabe dala wayibulala le ndoda. But because uNkulunkulu uyamthanda lo mfo ukuthi kuyo yonke le ideology yakhe yokuthi uNkulunkulu akekho ngoba ube disappointed endleleni. I speak what I know ukukhulumile kuma podcast.
Ngicela sivale ngokuthi tshele asiyeke umfokanari ngivale ngalomzalwane othi niphikisana ngeBhayibheli ngumzalwane wena. Why usifaka kule ingconco efana nalezi? Why u debate because kunabanye abazalwane who against you as umzalwane but why you debate njengomzalwane? That will be your conclusion kule episode.
This is not a debate, but here I'm here to defend the scriptures.
Okay.
I'm here to defend the gospel.
I'm
here to defend the Bible according to the Bible. Uthi first Peter chapter number 3:18.
Yes.
Always be ready to give an answer about your belief.
Yes.
So I was here to prove to people that God exists. I was here to prove to people that the Bible is valid. I was here to prove to people that Jesus is valid. I've proven reasonable doubt. Unfortunately, but his decision yakhe phela le mabunda I take it or leave it. If ubhuti athi angiphendulanga ama questions akhe okwakhe lokho, people in the comment section they will listen. They will tell who is right, who is wrong. Now they are entitled to their own mindset. Everyone, into evangel is not an obligation. Asingenanga entindisweni ngoba siphoqiwe. We decided. Futhi uma si decide ukuthi asisafuna sesiyaleka iBhayibheli, singakudecide lokho. So okwamanje sisadecide nje kutheni uJesu uyinkosi, uJesu uyasindisa, futhi uJesu uyabuya. Siphelele la.
Bafowethu sivala kanjalo iyo ingcociswane between uMtaka Phosha nomfo Gajele. As you Gifted Media, I'll say thank you so much for your time, and also do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment. Let's hear what you are thinking ukabangani kuyonke lengqongqo esesinayo. I want to know if you have any question kunare, you have any question kumfo Gajele, please state it and continue this episode to the conversation kuma comment section so that we can also have time to call them back and ask the question that you have addressed ku comment section. And as well, also as Gifted Media, we like to say thank you. We have videograph services and photograph services. If you want those services, please contact us. And also if you want to be one of our guests, maybe on the panel, please make sure you also text us ku WhatsApp 0630-680-959. Bafethu asikhanganeni ku episode elandelayo. Amen. Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadwethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni, onusaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni, labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkinga onazo siphunyukile esifubeni, akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni, ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki, isona senkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile, imicabango yakho iphazamisekile, amaphupho akho adukile, usuphila impilo ongayithandile. Imisamo yonke uyivakashelile, imali igcina iphelile, kodwa akukho